there, welcome back to my channel. I'm actually filming with daylight for a change, which is really nice. I've just finished work and I have a little bit of time before I have to start dinner, so I thought I would film this Zenpop unboxing video. So, ooh, special raffle, let's try this. Nope, lucky loser, no thank you. So this is the February box. And oh, they've got so many new boxes coming. Wakashi collab, snack box. Okay, let's just get right into the unboxing. I'm still trying to figure out what sort of videos I want to start filming on this channel, but this came in, so I thought I would just jump on it, even though it feels like I'm filming back-to-back Zenpop box videos at the moment. So we have this clip, this bear clip, Hirokuma. Let me open it up. I could always use more clips, to be honest, especially in our food pantry. So that's probably more where I'll use it. Cute. And then, oh, this is a Zenpop roller. That's cool. You can actually see it. They've got like the branding just there. I wonder if this is glue or a pattern. Sorry, the camera just cut out there. I just ran out of space on my memory card, so I've just replaced it with a new one. I think this is actually glue. Yeah, there's no pattern to it. It's just like a really big glue stick. I really like the feel of this. Some of the ones I've had that I'm working my way through, they're kind of on the small side. This one feels like it's got some weight. Not weight, but like some grip to it. And I mean, it's Zenpop. It's super cute. We have some washi tape. Looks like it's like a journaling washi tape. Oh, okay. And it isn't, so you can see the edges, they're more like icons instead of flat edges, if that makes sense. There's a plastic wrap on it as well. Okay, it is washi paper at least. I was a bit worried there for a second, but yeah, you can see all the beautiful patterns, scissors, journaling, hand lettering, everything. That's so beautiful and special. And then we have 3 cards and 3 envelopes. Tiny little cards. Those are the cards. And then, you know what? I've been using post-it notes to write little notes to my customers. Sometimes I've got like, sometimes the order is special or there's something about it that I just need to leave them a note. And I tend to put post-it notes and I'm like, I could use these. This would be adorable, right? Yeah, this would be so cute. I still have quite a few little ones. Like the larger ones I'm going to send off, but these little ones, these would be great. I'm going to keep this. That's such a good idea. Ooh, my gosh, that's so cute. Little stamps. Washi tape stamps. All right, let me pull this open. Oh my gosh. And it's actual, like, it's like stickers, so you can pull them off at the back. Can you see they have like perforated edges for each stamp, but behind each stamp is like a bend, so you can actually pull the sticker off. This is so cute. I'm gonna use this so much for my travel journals. Oh my gosh, I don't have anything like this. This is such a good idea. Mild liners. I am like obsessed with keeping up mild liners. I am pretty sure I probably have these colors. So I think what I'll do is I'll try and fish out these colors from my collection so I can swatch them for you in case you're curious. But I don't think I'm going to open this pack because if I already have the colors, there's no point having another pack, which means I can probably give this away to one of my friends. We've got another letter set, 20 letters, 5 envelopes. That is such a cute design. Sorry if I keep never know how to stay in shot. That's super cute. And then it's like a notepad. Oh yeah, it's like a things to do notepad for the day. This is such a cool idea. I guess if you're like not big on journaling and you just want to pull out a sheet of paper and just have it for the day, this is not bad. And there's 2 colors. You get the orange and the blue, or the turquoise. And then the last one is stickers. Just cozy stickers for relaxation. And I'm going to just open these because I am curious to know if they are washi paper. Yeah, they're washi paper. Okay, this is my type of sticker. I definitely know I'm going to be using these. I love washi paper stickers. I'm just not a fan of the thicker ones. I've given most of my old ones away to a lot of my friends who have kids who are really into it, because it's just not for me. They just bulk up the planner too much. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch those mild liners for you. Alright, I'm back. These mild liners are my current ones, so hopefully they're still very inky. Cool. Yeah, great. That's the brown color, the golden color. Oops. This is the purple color. Oh, what is this? Kind of vermilion color. And then finally there's this like deeper teal color, which is a bit grayish now that's on paper. Yep, and that's everything in those new mouth liners. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm not sure about next week, but I'm gonna shoot for 2 weeks for now. We'll see how it goes. Yes, thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.